I'm Trevor, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Illustrious Sound. I'm a full-time professional private music instructor and an amateur home studio enthusiast. I created this channel as an extra learning resource for my students interested in setting up their own home studio and helping them discover all that they can do with it. Follow me on this journey as I set up my home studio, learn how to work the equipment in it, and share my passion for music production, gear, and home studio design. While this channel is directed toward my music students and our lessons, I hope you can also find something useful here. Now, this channel is not the place to be if you're more experienced and looking for advanced tips and tricks. You'll find better channels elsewhere for that. Now, however, if you're just starting your home studio, why not come along for the ride? Hope to see you on the channel, and until next time, I'm just a music teacher having fun. Catch you on the next one.